Hi friends, welcome back. This is a new lesson series in German language. We are starting another language called the German language, or in other words, Deutsch, or das Deutsch. In English, the German language. There are some people who were requesting me to start lessons in German language, and of course, I will do it for those friends, because I am also interested in German language. German language is very close to the English language. That's why if you know English well, you will learn it faster and you will not face a lot of troubles. Okay? So today we will learn the German alphabets and then we will move on to the other things. It's just a little lesson to understand how the German alphabets sound, and it will help you to understand the German words and phrases a lot. So let's start the German alphabets. Lass uns anfangen. Let us begin. Das Alphabet. Das Alphabet. The alphabet. A. A. Der Apfel. The apple. B. B. Der Ball. Der Ball. The ball. C. C. Die Chemie. Die Chemie. The chemistry. D. D. Das Datum. Das Datum. The date. E. E. Das Eis. Das Eis. The ice. F. F. Der Film. Der Film. The movie. G. G. Der Geist. Der Geist. The ghost. H. H. Das Haus. Das Haus. The house. I. I. Der Igel. Der Igel. The hedgehog. J. J. Der Jäger. Der Jäger. The hunter. K. K. Der Kaffee. Der Kaffee. The coffee. L. L. Das Land. Das Land. The country. M. M. Die Meerjungfrau. Die Meerjungfrau. Die Meerjungfrau. Die Meerjungfrau. The mermaid. N. N. Die Nummer. Die Nummer. The number. O. O. Der Opa. Der Opa. The grandpa. P. P. Der Park. Der Park. The park. Q. Q. Die Qualle. Die Qualle. The jellyfish. R. Der Regen. Der Regen. The rain. Es. Die Sonne. Die Sonne. The sun. Tee. Der Tee. Der Tee. Die Uhr. Die Uhr. The clock. V. Die Vögel. Die Vögel. The birds. W. Die Welt. Die Welt. The world. X. Das Xylophon. Das Xylophon. Das Xylophon. The xylophone. Y. Der Yeti. Der Yeti. Z. Der Zug. Der Zug. The train. So, there are other letters which are a little bit different than the normal letters. They are called umlaut. Umlaut. Here are they. Der Ägypter. Der Ägypter. The Egyptian. Das Öl. Das Öl. The oil. Die Überraschung. Die Überraschung. The surprise. S. Der Fuß. The foot. So as you can see, there are three ways to say the in German. Der, die, and das. But unfortunately, you cannot say which one is used where and how. You have to remember it as it is by heart. And you will get it with time if you keep learning German language, and trust me, you will learn it like I have learned it. And to learn them, make sure that you learn them with nouns like der Apfel, das Haus, die Chemie. If you learn them like this, you will remember them correctly. That's all for today. Start learning German with me in this channel, and you will soon realize how easy German is. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you!